My name is Wahid Awad. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Rosetta Omics, a deep tech startup based in Paris, France. I have a double casquette, so I come from academia with a PhD in genetics. I also did a few years as an assistant professor and then 5 years in the pharma industry as a chief business officer before starting Rosetta Omics. So what is Rosetta Omics? Rosetta Omics is a company that is trying to solve or unlock the road to precision medicine, starting with oncology. So we use multi-omics and AI to develop predictive tests for response to treatments in cancer patients. So we mainly develop tools to help oncologists, physicians, to prescribe the right treatment for the right patients at the right time. So to do that, we use multi-omics analysis of biopsies, and we also combine that with an AI algorithm. In the same time, we also provide an R&D service for pharma and biotech companies that are developing treatments for cancer. So this is mainly via biomarker discovery and target validation. We are incubated at Agaranov, which is a prestigious incubator here in Paris. And we also work with multiple hospitals and partners in France, Europe, and globally. We are currently looking for partnerships with pharma, biotechs, and hospitals. And of course, we are always looking for financial support to take us to the next step. Thank you very much.